Hello there, Galactica Transticker here with another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you a couple of new things what were included in the update of Logic. So the new 10.8 version, as I'll show you now. So it's the version 10.8. Okay, so they have included a new plugin and a new mastering section on the stereo out. So firstly, let's have a look at this plugin, which I found quite interesting. So if I play the drums, okay, I'm going to add this new plugin now. So this new plugin, if you go to multi-effects, it's called Beat Breaker, and there's loads of different things this can do, which is quite interesting. You can use it on your instrument tracks or on your drum tracks, as I'm going to demonstrate now. So let's have a little play with it. As you can see, there's lots of different things you can actually do. There's lots of different presets on here. So this one sounds like. So, as you can see, there's lots of different presets to explore on here, which can make your music more interesting. So that's the Beat Break plugin, which is new to the update. So let's just remove that. Let's have a look at this mastering part. So remove that, and I'll play a loop of this. So what it does, when you click on it, it analyzes the music, and then I presume by using artificial intelligence it determines what's the best way to make the music sound. You can adjust this, so you can adjust the EQ with a slider here to make it add more gain or less gain there. It has these different presets here, like it's got punch and it's got valve and clean. They're all different sounds, but it can make your music sound. You can control the dynamics in this part. So if I play it, you can control the loudness. got the stereo spread, which you can control it here, and you can also manage your LUFs as well. So shows those there. So yes, the mastering assistant is new to the new version of Logic. It's very helpful if you need to master a piece of music quickly. It's got all the tools at hand here. But yeah, my verdict on it is, it's ideal if you want to quickly do something, but I'd rather go in and add the linear EQ, the multipressor, limiter, and I'd rather do it that way. But for somebody who, is not too sure about mastering music, this is a good tool to have. Okay, I hope that has helped, and remember to subscribe to the channel and give us a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.